Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile in this 2017 Audi Q3. So here we go. From any screen, you've got telephone there or menu, so you can get to it both ways. But if we go to telephone, you've got settings in the bottom right hand corner, so that corresponds to this button. So click settings, telephone settings, and then you've got Bluetooth down there. We'll go to Bluetooth. You see there Bluetooth on. If you're having any trouble, just go there and make sure Bluetooth is on there. And then you've got discoverability, Bluetooth audio player, find Bluetooth devices, and bonded Bluetooth devices. That's what we want, so we click to select, and you see there Barry's iPhone 11. So if I click on that, you've got the first one is delete device, or you can connect to hands-free or the audio player. So if you're in the car and your phone's connected to hands-free, but you want to play somebody else's music and that's paired, then you can select their audio player. So I want to delete my phone. Do you want to delete? Yes. The device has been deleted. So that's it. I'll just, there's one or two phones in here, I'll just delete these while I'm at it. So select the phone, delete, move to yes, click delete.